Hello guys, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to groom your eyebrows, especially those with full eyebrows. So yeah, and make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so each time I post a video, you'll be the first to know. So right now you'll be needing a tiger blade, any kind of blade anyways. This blade is quite cheap, and especially in my country it's not 2 cents, it's like 10 naira. So yeah, you need a blade and you need a brush. So this brush helps you to create details of where you need to be trimmed, where you need your lashes to be trimmed. If you don't brush your lashes, you won't see those little hair. So you also be needing like a Vaseline or a shea butter. So I use shea butter, but inside the shea butter a mixture of oil, different types of oil. So I have lavender oil, grapeseed oil, coconut oil, frankincense oil. Yeah, so this literally makes my skin glow. So the oil is to give you a defined to give you details exactly of where it needs to be cut, like details of where those little hair are. So firstly, what you'll be doing with the blade, you'll be cutting through the end. Yeah, so because of that oil, it has given you those little tiny hair that used to hide. Sometimes you might not even see them, so it helps you to bring them out. So you start from the end, then you continue from the beginning. So this helps you to cut away those unwanted hair in your brows, and then gives you a very nice shape. And you must make sure your hand is steady. Do not shake your hand too much. If you're that kind of person that shake too much, please give it to someone else to help you trim. But if you're someone who is really steady, you can do it all by yourself and still have that beautiful look. Okay, so I start from the top again, from the beginning of the top to the end. So as you guys can see, there's some hair surrounding the upper part of my eyebrow. So those hair needs to leave just to differentiate your eyebrow from those tiny hair. Sorry, I have H factor, pardon me please, because I'm a Nigerian slash Lagos slash Igbo girl. Okay, so yeah, so one eye down, another to go. So in this, I'm also going to be starting, I'm trying to focus, sorry guys. So I'm also going to be starting from the end, as you guys can see. One thing I noticed about our brows is that one brow is more fuller than the other. Do you understand? So I feel like, is this my left or my right? I think my left brows are more fuller than my right. So yeah. So I had to use the mirror so that I wouldn't make any mistake. As you guys know that this is my brows, I cannot make any mistake. As in, I can't even dare. So I had to use the mirror just to be sure of what I'm cutting. So I had to do the top. So right now you would have to clean the oil because you're done with trimming your brows. But if there is any other thing you feel like it's not enough yet, you can still trim it because there's a little bit of oil still on your face. So as you guys can see, it's really defined and better than what it was before. So I'm still going back to trim more to see if it can be a little bit clean or better. Let's see the outcome though. So I think this is a much better look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. I feel so happy right now. So I'm going to be posting another video on how I achieve my natural and my everyday look. So you guys should watch out for that video. And then more other videos to come because it's the natural chick baby. Bye guys.